So congratulations on making it to the end of the section and having programmed your first game using the Blueprint programming language. Now, what is it that we have covered over the course of this section? It's been a while, so you may have forgotten how much you've learnt. Well, the first thing we've covered is things like Blueprint basics, nodes and pins and all that sort of good stuff. Now, obviously, that sort of visual element of Blueprint is only applicable to blueprints, but everything else we've learned in this section is going to be transferable to C++. Such as your programming basics, things like variables, strings, references, and functions, and branches. All of these concepts will be very, very applicable in C++ once you've learned this syntax. Then Unreal basics, things like maps and actors and components and transforms and vectors, all of these things exist in C++ as well, and we'll learn how to use them in the next section. And then we've got object-oriented basics, object-oriented programming basics, things like objects and structs, classes, member functions, self, all those things that we've just recently learned. Absolutely crucial concepts to understanding C++. So I'm really thrilled with how much we've covered in this section and that we've been able to create such a cool little game in the process. I hope you've enjoyed it too. Please, please, please share your resultant game in the discussions for this lecture. I love seeing them and I know that other students get inspired by them too. And I will see you in the next section.